Welcome back to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of dropshipping. If you've ever thought about starting an online business without the hassle of managing inventory, dropshipping might be the perfect model for you. In this video, we'll cover the basics of dropshipping and how you can get started. Let's jump in. 1. What is dropshipping? First things first, what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. In essence, you act as a middleman without handling the physical product. 2. How dropshipping works. Now, let's break down how dropshipping works. You start by setting up an online store, whether it's on a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or others. Once your store is set up, you partner with suppliers who are willing to dropship their products. When a customer places an order on your store, you purchase the product from the supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. Your profit comes from the difference between the price you charge the customer and the cost from the supplier. 3. Pros and cons of dropshipping. Like any business model, dropshipping comes with its own set of pros and cons. On the positive side, you don't need to invest in inventory up front, and you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. It's a low-risk model for beginners. However, you have less control over product quality, shipping times, and potential stock issues. It's essential to carefully choose reliable suppliers to mitigate these challenges. 4. Selecting niche and products. One crucial aspect of dropshipping success is selecting the right niche and products. Conduct thorough market research to identify trends and demand. Choose products that have a reasonable profit margin and appeal to your target audience. A well-defined niche can set you apart from competitors and attract a more specific customer base. 5. Setting up your dropshipping store. Now, let's talk about setting up your dropshipping store. Choose a user-friendly platform like Shopify, which makes it easy to build and customize your online store. Focus on creating a clean, visually appealing website that instills trust in potential customers. Remember, a professional-looking store enhances the overall customer experience. So, there you have it, the basics of dropshipping. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of running a full-time online business, dropshipping offers a flexible and low-risk way to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more dropshipping insights, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.